Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. Trinidad and Tobago is a hidden gem in the Caribbean that offers something for everyone. From its stunning beaches and lush rainforests to its vibrant culture and friendly people, this tropical paradise is the perfect destination for your next vacation. In this video, we will show you 10 enchanting destinations in Trinidad and Tobago that will take your breath away. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the beauty of Trinidad and Tobago. Number 10. Las Cuevas Beach. Las Cuevas Beach is one of the most enchanting destinations in Trinidad and Tobago. This secluded beach is located on the north coast of Trinidad and is known for its crystal clear waters and white sands. The beach is surrounded by lush green hills and is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and picnicking. Visitors can also enjoy water sports such as kayaking and paddleboarding. The calm waters of Las Cuevas Beach make it an ideal destination for families with young children. There are also several restaurants and bars in the area serving up delicious local cuisine and refreshing drinks. No wonder why Las Cuevas Beach is often ranked as one of the best beaches in the Caribbean. Number 9. Asa Wright Nature Center. The Asa Wright Nature Center is a must-visit destination for nature lovers. Located in the remote northern range mountains of Trinidad, the center is home to a variety of exotic birds, including the rare and beautiful Trinidad motmot. Visitors can explore the lush rainforest and spot these colorful creatures in their natural habitat. The center also offers guided tours and educational programs about the local flora and fauna. The serene surroundings of Asa Wright Nature Center make it a great place for bird watching, hiking, and nature photography. Don't forget to bring your binoculars and camera to capture the stunning sights. Number 8. Fort George. Fort George is a historic site located in the capital city of Port of Spain. This 18th century fort was built by the British to protect the city from invaders. Today, visitors can explore the fort's ramparts and learn about Trinidad and Tobago's colonial past. The fort also has a museum that showcases artifacts from the country's history. Visitors can also enjoy panoramic views of the city and the Caribbean Sea from the fort's highest point. Fort George is a great destination for history buffs and anyone looking to learn more about Trinidad and Tobago's rich heritage. Number 7. Pitch Lake. The Pitch Lake is a unique natural wonder located in the town of Labrie. This vast pool of black tar-like substance is the largest of its kind in the world. The lake is a popular tourist attraction, and visitors can take boat rides on its surface or explore the nearby boardwalk. The Pitch Lake was formed over 250 years ago when a massive oak tree fell into a river and decomposed. The resulting organic matter formed a thick layer of pitch, which is still there today. This fascinating site is a great destination for those looking to experience something truly unique. Number 6. Tobago Main Bird Sanctuary. The Tobago Main Bird Sanctuary is a protected area that is home to a variety of bird species. This sanctuary is located near the island's airport and is easily accessible to visitors. The main attraction is the red-footed booby, a rare seabird that can only be found in the Caribbean. Visitors can take guided tours to observe these birds up close in their natural habitat. The sanctuary also has a visitor center that provides information about the local wildlife and conservation efforts. Birdwatching enthusiasts will love the Tobago Main Bird Sanctuary. But it's important to note that photography is not allowed within the sanctuary. So don't forget to bring your binoculars to get a closer look at these amazing creatures. No. 5. Scarborough. Scarborough is the capital town of Tobago and is a popular destination for tourists. Located on the island's south coast, Scarborough is known for its beautiful beaches, duty-free shopping, and lively nightlife. Visitors can explore the town's bustling markets, restaurants, and bars, or relax on the nearby Grafton Beach. The town is also home to several historical sites, including the Old Stone House and the Tobago Museum. If you're looking for a fun and exciting destination in Trinidad and Tobago, Scarborough is definitely worth visiting. Just be sure to pack your sunscreen and insect repellent for those hot, humid days. Number 4. Angel Falls. Angel Falls is a stunning waterfall located in the Kange National Park. This breathtaking site is the highest waterfall in the world, with a height of over 300 feet. Visitors can take a guided tour to hike to the base of the falls and experience the mist from up close. The park also offers camping and hiking trails for those looking to explore the surrounding rainforest. Bird watchers will appreciate the diverse array of bird species that can be found in the area. Don't forget to bring your waterproof camera to capture the majestic beauty of Angel Falls. Number 3. Buku Reef. Buku Reef is a vibrant coral reef located off the coast of Tobago. This underwater paradise is home to a variety of colorful marine life, including sea turtles, rays, and various species of fish. Visitors can explore the reef by snorkeling or scuba diving. There are several tour operators in the area that offer reef tours and equipment rentals. The shallow waters of Buku Reef make it a great destination for beginners. Just be sure to wear water shoes to protect your feet from the sharp coral. Number 2. Aripo Savanna. Aripo Savanna is a unique ecosystem located in the Arima Valley. This vast grassland is home to a variety of plant and animal species, including the endangered Trinidad and Tobago piping guan. Visitors can explore the savanna on foot or by bicycle and spot these elusive birds in their natural habitat. The area is also home to several hiking trails and picnic spots. Birdwatchers and nature lovers will appreciate the peaceful surroundings of Aripo Savanna. Do not forget to bring your bird identification guide to help you identify the different species of birds in the area. Number 1. Roncador Island. Roncador Island is an uninhabited island located off the coast of Tobago. This secluded paradise is known for its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. Visitors can explore the island's coastline and spot dolphins, turtles, and other marine life. The island is also home to a variety of hiking trails and picnic spots. Due to its remote location, Roncador Island is only accessible by boat. Several tour operators in Tobago offer day trips to the island. Don't forget to bring your camera to capture the stunning beauty of Roncador Island. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one more stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.